Go on then.
Oh, am I introducing it?
Well, yeah, you want, aren't you? I'm just dick.
Why am I introducing it?
Well, you're on the side where you introduce things.
Hello and welcome to a new series that we have on Knowledge Hub. This week we're going to rate some poor gas installs.
Very poor.
Really poor. How do you know you haven't seen them yet?
I like to say the first one.
Alright, okay, fair enough. I'm Katie.
I'm Mike.
And yeah, well, let's just get into it.
What do you think of that one?
It's them tiles. Forget the boiler. The
It's your
tiles.
outside.
Here it is. No, it's not great, is it? It's very messy.
It's nothing unsafe about it, is there? But look, somebody there. Oh, look at me! I've got a new bending machine. I'll try and save a bit of money on fittings, but it looks
awful.
It looks very,
also, the
very
bends
poor.
don't go the right way, so my OCD is not very happy with it.
And yeah, and when do you want your tiles back as well?
Maybe it was like a deal.
What buy some tiles get none free?
Yeah, put your pipework in front of it, and you can't tell. They've just hidden it really.
Right,
That
yeah.
fuse is really doing bits.
You know, there's no fuse
There's
there.
absolutely nothing there that's
No.
there for.
It's rubbish in it.
It's just a mess in it.
Yeah.
1 to 5, 5 being amazing.
Not. I don't want to say 1 because I don't know what's coming next. So we'll give it a 2, 2.3.
2.3.
2.3.
Okay.
Oh no, that's nearly half that, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
2.
2. Solid 2.
2. 2 out of 5.
Okay.
Oh.
Right. Why?
Oh no.
I mean, it's clipped.
And it's at risk.
It's not great, that is it? Why is that happening?
It's because they're rough, isn't it? Well, either it's been a poorly placed. I think they've moved the boiler on there. So you've got an old combi in there, and because there's a PRV sticking out.
Oh my god.
But it looks like something else. And then the meter box there, obviously you can't go through the top of the meter box anymore. That is now deemed an at-risk situation.
Cap them off quick. Not cap
No,
them off.
cap
That would
them
be
off,
wrong.
man.
Turn them
God.
off. Turn them off. That was really
you'd
bad.
You'd cap
I am
anyone.
qualified, I promise.
You would cap old people off, you. For that.
I like that they've burnt the box there. That's my favourite bit.
Nowhere near the fitting.
No, I'm not even sure how they've managed to do that. They've clearly thought, I know what's a good idea. I'll point the solder against
It
the
would have been a
box.
better looking job if they'd come out the side of the meter box there, went through the electric box, come out and you'd only have that one fitting. It'd look neater, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Also, they've clearly just not cleaned it afterwards because the amount of corrosion that's going on there is nice.
At risk. It's got to be no more than
I don't like it.
1.5.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Now we're into it.
No, yes.
I like it.
Do you know what? If you're looking for like style and that, what?
Authentic.
Yeah, you think, God, somebody has made a real effort to make that look dangerous, haven't they? They haven't just went. They haven't just whacked it in and thought that'll do. They thought.
Let's see what look good.
Tell you, if we're going to leave this dangerous, right, we will make it look proper dangerous.
That is awful.
Like stylishly dangerous. What is going on with that? There's got no obviously.
There's no support.
No
I mean, that's the least of its worries, I think.
Not screwed up, and I don't know what that is at the top there. Like
What's coming out?
If you're a little eye, it looks like a little ninja. If you look at it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
But yeah,
I'm happy to say 0. There's absolutely nothing right about that.
It's only
whatsoever.
at risk though. Nobody's saying it is dangerous, are they?
Well, unless there's someone dead around the corner from it from standing there looking at it.
Right, so we're going to go none if there's a dead body in the loft with it.
1.
1 if there is.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm good with that.
I mean, I just need to
Yeah, I just want to applaud that man for his effort of danger.
Or her effort.
It's probably a man that.
Yeah, it will be. I mean, no
Look
woman's
at
living
it,
there.
it's aesthetically pleasing, it's got to be.
It was you. Oh.
That's your spare one, isn't it?
Yeah. No. Disclaimer, not. That's just been left in the rain, hasn't it? What's it in? Is it in a cupboard? Looks like it's made of wood.
Nobody's to. Well, where's the blame getting placed there? You know what I mean? That's been in a long
unless
time,
someone's put it
hasn't
in.
Unless somebody's put that in.
I mean, it's old, isn't it? So.
Yeah, it's old. Are we going with ID on that one, I think, for you?
It does look like it's ready to go.
I know, if you tap that, do you think it's going to just crumble away?
It does look like it, especially around that edge bit. Yeah.
I would like to know how old it was, but I don't care enough to give it more than 1, do you?
No, just move on. Don't like it. No bracket either. That's just
What about
disgraceful.
It's got a nice submarine colour on it. If
it looks like an artefact.
It looks like it's come up. It's the gas maker of Titanic, doesn't it?
Maybe it's out of that gas museum in Leicester.
They wouldn't keep that one.
No.
Right. Well, this one is incredibly dangerous.
Is that actually an install?
Yeah, what's happened there is, so you've got...
What do you mean, yeah? No, I mean, is that physically in someone's house? That can't be. It must have been taken
Well,
out. No.
surely not. It looks like it's on decking boards.
That's what I thought. Oh, it is on decking. Someone must have been selling it at Marketplace.
What? They've just laid... What? They wouldn't... How would they do that? How would they put that... So I'm going to sell my boiler on... My
only
old
half of it.
boiler on Facebook Marketplace. How is that clear bit there?
I don't even understand how that's happened.
That's on a wall of some kind, isn't it? But what's happened is there, obviously it's got a fluent option there going out the back, and they've just filled it. There's a train.
Yeah, there was a train, sorry.
They filled that full of, what do you call it? It's foam.
Is that foam?
Foam.
Is it foam? Is it expansion foam?
Expandable foam.
Yeah. Firm.
Foam.
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 Alright, what are you giving it? 0?
0 dangerous. Oh, yes.
Oh. What the... Oh my god, I thought that was a pipe coming out of it, but it's actually a wind chime. I thought it was a copper pipe.
Again, I don't know if that's the, you know...
Who's doing that? Surely it's harder to get it this wrong than it is just to do it
I
right.
think it's a DIY guy, this. You know, one of these where you would have a plume kit. I think
Yeah, he's been told it's too low.
You can't have it like that, you can't have it like that.
It's right next to your door.
He's bought that boiler that was on the last one. He's used the flue from Facebook Marketplace.
I've only just realised. The seal's halfway up it.
Yeah, so that is really poor indeed.
But it has got a wind chime.
It's homemade that though, isn't it? Homemade. So you've got to give them a little bit of credit.
And there is a bracket.
One.
One?
One.
Yeah.
I can't say who's getting any 5s either now, you know.
No, I don't think that's
There's
the point though.
It's a little bit...
They're too bad.
Aye.
Okay.
Well...
What? Do we have to rate this one? I don't like it.
I tell you what, right? You can hire a core drill now from tool station for what, 20 quid or something like that.
Other places are available.
Or you can go and just bash the whole wall out with a melamine.
Anger management. Smash the wall, flew through it. Why would you? How is that not looking after it and they're going, oh, it looks right that. Who's paying someone after they've done that?
That's halfway through a job, isn't it?
That can't be how it finished.
Oh, look, that's a brick standing on end there holding it
That
in
looks
position.
like, do you remember those? You might not, because you're a lot older than me. But do you remember, maybe they were trying to fill it in at the top. They were just throwing it, hoping it'd land in
That's
there.
it. Can't reach.
No, I don't like it.
Yeah, you'd like to think that was just a DIY special, wouldn't you? Or like, you know, somebody halfway through a job, we'll stick it in like that until I get my ladders off the van.
Okay. Benefit of the doubt.
So we'll give him 2 if he's going back to it.
If he's gone back.
If he hasn't gone back to it, it's
0.
-1.
Okay. Oh. 2. Is that fully facing?
Well, this is going to be warm, eh?
Right.
So at least, worst, let's look at the best scenarios here.
Mm-hmm. Have you found one?
Well, the gas is in push fit, by the looks of it, isn't it?
That's nice.
You know, so he's made easy work of it. And the flue's directly into the building.
I mean, in theory, I don't think that's live.
I don't think...
Although it's on, so maybe...
I don't think we've got worse installs in here for training purposes than that.
No.
And that's in someone's house. They haven't even got a sink, but the washing up ball's just been thrown in. It's yeah, again, no, it's work in progress, isn't it?
I mean, half the wall's down, so I'm presuming that's not going to end like that. But the boiler is on, which is concerning.
The boiler is on, and it's it is piped up in push fit, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Super dangerous, -2.
Okay.
Don't be harsh on the computer.
Oh. Technical issues. There we go. I mean, I can't see that great, but...
I've seen similar to this in the zones there, so if you're sat in the bath and you decide to touch that boiler, why? I don't know why you decide to touch the boiler.
But you never know. You might steady yourself up.
If you've got the jug and you're doing with the jug like that.
People do that.
They used to, like, when that boiler was fitted, they did, right? When they were going like that with the jug, they might sling the water in the bottom of the electrics on that boiler.
That'd be nice.
You know, or... Hey, they got radio. Who's this? Do you know what? I'll put this bathroom in. No, we don't need a new bath. We'll just get a new sink. Look, we think, well, why?
Yeah. Also, why is that sink that low? Not low. Why is the bath that low?
Maybe it's sunk into the floor. Like a hot tub style, 70s hot tub.
Maybe.
And I tell you what we'll do. We'll just run
the pipework right across the sink for support. Maybe they haven't actually screwed the sink
That's
to
what
the
you,
wall.
Yeah.
They still hold it.
Something you would do that.
I don't think so. It's already started to rust there as well, which is
That's
nice.
not already started to rust. That boiler's about 25-year-old in it there. So, and to be fair, it's in quite moist position there, isn't it?
It's not in the best place, really, is it?
Yeah, it's going to be quite damp in that room there, as you can see by the
By the wall.
by the fact that there's no.
Do people not decorate?
Maybe all the tiles just fell off because it's that wet.
Okay, no.
Mark it, go. Oh, the radio. Do you have a radio?
We do have a radio. 0.5 for the radio.
Okay, 0.5.
Because it's got one of the aerials that's also touching that, so if you touch the radio,
Radio, you're going to
get
a belt as well.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Don't like this song.
Oh yeah.
They've tried.
Now, right, I'm going to say something controversial here. For a long time, Galvanized strapping was used for securing flues in lofts.
Okay.
And it was done. And see where it's got a bolt securing it through there? To stop it moving?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that was allowed that. So you'd go to a job and the boiler had no brackets on when you went in the loft. It was you were jumped up there, it all come apart, or it was looking like that. That aesthetically doesn't look very nice to look at. But that was an actual way of securing flues up until about 10 years ago.
Okay.
So if we based it on
10 years ago.
10 years ago, you'd probably give it a 3, wouldn't you? But if you based it on today, we're still at risk and we'd have to give it 1.5 was a maximum, wasn't it?
Okay.
1.5 was a maximum.
Okay.
Not as funny that one, was it?
No.
Pretty poor.
Hopefully this one will.
Was
Oh.
Boiler's leaking. 1.
We're not diagnosing.
Well, it is, isn't it? It's just rotting through.
Aesthetics. No.
What do you, or what do you
That
mean?
looks like
The boiler's its way out.
day one soldering lessons. That's what that one looks like.
Yeah, but look at this at the top where this is the actual bottom of the boiler where the stuff. There's just been loads of water inside of there and that's just eaten through. Oh, in fact, I don't even know what that is down the back wall. It looks like it's leaking as we speak.
Yeah, it does.
And
Different
it looks
colours.
like, you know when I tell you to put more solder on, I mean not that much.
You tell me, my soldering's great. You just don't like it.
I do like it. I'm
You
frightened
want to
of
see it.
I'm frightened of it.
That's
yeah.
what tightness tests are for. But I don't like it.
Well, you might.
The fact that right now is -7. Purely because I
We've
hate
had
the look of
IDs.
it.
What
Yeah, just don't
what
like
did we give
it.
that boiler? Andy,
Yeah.
what did we give that boiler that went through the wall and the pin was missing and that?
1.8?
Oh no, we were going to give it a 2.5 if we went back, weren't we?
Okay, maybe I was being extreme, but it does look ugly. 0.3.
0.33.
Okay, recurring. What was our favourite one?
Our favourite, what was that? What was that?
I think this is our favourite one.
Yes, we like that the best.
Yeah. So we give our. Is it the worst? It's not the worst.
What? No, I
But-
thought I liked it the best, mate.
All right. Okay. No, that's our favourite one. What's the worst one?
I can't work the computer, to be honest. No, that's my favourite one.
Yeah.
That's the favourite one. You know, somebody's put a lot of effort into that, making it that dangerous.
Almost as much effort as they have putting that brickwork together as well.
Yeah.
I missed that before.
And providing there's no
That's
bodies,
nice.
we're going with that one as our favourite, and our least favourite is
Those tiles.
those tiles.
On the bathroom.
Katie's tiles.
My house.
Katie's house. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. If you've got any bad installs yourself, feel free to
Or
send
if
them
you've
us.
done any bad installs, keep them to yourself.
Like the video and subscribe to our channel. We done?
And say goodbye.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Thanks, bye.